my name is Zack Kouns, and I'm standing in a rainy Appalachian deep forest zone. I'm going to gather Suge canadensis, or Eastern Hemlock, today to make a wild vinegar. So the Eastern Hemlock is a long-lived conifer tree. It has flat needles on slender stalks, and it's found in deep, hilly forests. The leaves can be infused to treat rheumatism, colds, and coughs, and the bark is astringent, and it can be poulticed to treat bleeding wounds. There's a beautiful ancient poem about hemlock that goes, "A monument of bygone days, I've kept the place where I now grow, and over all my head did raise above 1,000 years ago. What mighty changes in that space, what revolutions on this earth, what strange events have taken place, what wonders since I date my birth. Of these I have hid up a store, and at your service they shall be. When you would think of days of yore, come sit beneath the hemlock tree. In every branch I have a tongue, I have a voice in every breeze, and when I speak to old or young, my aim is to instruct and to please." There's something wild and atavistic and vital about making medicine where you find it, in the deep sacred forest. This is a very simple recipe. It's one you can make more or less all year round. It's more or less just an infused vinegar. So to do this, I just more or less am just covering over this these hemlock leaves and some branches. I use a nice neutral vinegar that doesn't have a really strong taste. This is rice vinegar, so I find that it lets the it'll allow the flavor of the hemlock itself to come through. So I've covered over in about a pint jar here. Agitate it, and I'm going to do this about every day, twice a day, for about 4 to 6 weeks, and get a strong infused flavor of these hemlock needles. And I'm going to strain it, and I'm going to use the rest as food and medicine. Hope you've enjoyed joining us in the woods today. And I hope you've learned something. And if you have learned something, I'd ask that you don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your neighbor, share it with your friend, share it with your coworker, share it with your partner, share it with your mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, and most importantly, share it with your children. Thank you so much.